Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where tonight we're here in Belgium and I'm on board Deca Dance. This is the ultimate HUSS Breakdance, one of my all-time favourite funfair attractions. And you know what, this ride is insane. It's got epic lighting, it's got pyrotechnic fire effects, and even sometimes confetti cannons as well. Let's ride, it's time for Deca Dance. Look at this, the lighting package. You got the spinning centerpiece there, all the LEDs around, the awesome sign for Deca Dance up there at the top. And here we go.
Oh yeah, when you're ready.
Let's go. Woohoo! I've wanted to ride this for many years. It's been great getting here tonight. Come and experience it, smoke's rising up. Great atmosphere on this ride. Deca Dance,
oh,
love it.
Here we go.
Look at this for an overall experience. What a lighting package. What makes this even crazier is that they let people stand up if they want to. Insane.
Okay, we gaan nog een beetje mee met je staan. Komt ie. Here we go.
I'm sure we'll get some fire in a minute. Deca Dance. Woo! Here we go. Fire! Deca Dance. Oh my god.
Yes.
Imagine this back home. Like there's no safety barrier around the side or anything. Crazy. Deca Dance. Woo!
Double D. Deca Dance, baby.
Double D.
Six for me.
The square is the overall package. Deca Dance. Whoa, look at that fire.
Super attractie, maar niet missen.
Oh wow.
En ik kan staan beneden. Voor die mooie ronde.
There's moving heads, there's park ants, there's LED strip lights, everything on this beast. Smoke machines, and yeah, there was even a confetti cannon.
Be the best, baby.
Oh, we're all watching it. Only the best. There's no holding back with the fire. Loads of it. It's not just one blast per cycle. Woo! It's such an overload on here. It's amazing. That's some more. There we go, he's standing up down there. Deca Dance. Oh wow. I love this. I'm in my element right now. If only every funfair ride could be this well presented. One more time, Deca Dance. Are you joining in at home yet? Yeah. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely insane.
Allora, extra rondje. Voor dat lekker kontje. Een blondje. Oh yeah.
I love the operator on this. You know, all the announcements, joining with the tunes. What a guy, what a legend. It just really makes the ride a memorable experience. It makes it crazy. Wow.
Oh.
Believe in the Deca Dance. Comment down below if you'd love to come and ride this HUSS Breakdance. Wow, absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much for watching, and get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.